Today we're going to take a look at a handy tool called a quarter panel puller by Steck Manufacturing. There's two sides to choose from. You can pull using this flatter side or the more curved side, and today we're going to use the flatter side. And just hook it up under the lip. Just hook it up here. With the tool hooked up, we're going to worry only about this body line. We're not going to worry about this dent or any other dent on the quarter panel. We're going to concentrate on getting this line straight, and then we'll worry about this body line and the dent, possibly pulling it out with some studs or a shim. For the rest of the dent and this area, we'll be using a stud welder, and we'll pull right from this body line, right in here, a little bit in here, and right along this crease. And we're pulling on the lower areas, and knocking down the high areas. So there's a low area here and there's a crown right here. So as we pull, we hit the crown. Now with a nice sharp 36 grit fiber resin disc on a slow speed, we're going to grind this down or sand this down and prepare it for filler. Sometimes when you have a little bit left, it's okay to use a slide hammer. We have a little low spot right there. And that should be good. After grinding it clean, the damaged areas are ready for filler. I hope you enjoyed this video on the use of the Steck Quarter Puller and some other handy tools to pull out dents. If you did, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.